right, here's editing Katie. You will have seen how I put together a subscription box, and there will be another video for the unboxing of April's subscription box. And I hope that you will enjoy watching this video, not have, because this is my intro. Okay, yes, it's a Saturday, it's quiet, it's gray outside, and the town is really quiet, so I figured it would be a great day to film this. But yes, so what is coming up next will be how I created the subscription for the Happy Meal subscription, and I hope you enjoy it. There's some things that I forgot to film, you know, I get going and forget to turn on the camera, but there is a lot of behind the scenes on exactly what I did, and I hope you enjoy it. And like I said, there will be an unboxing video coming up right after this video. So, see you soon. All right, I have taken all the photos for launching the box or the package, subscription, whatever you want to call it. And I have gotten the website done, which I totally forgot to film. But I will talk you through the steps of what I did to get ready for this launch and show you what I did. All right, on my website, on the shop side, I added a 1 month on my website, I added a 1 month non-recurring subscription for $23.99. This is the listing for that. I also added a 3 month non-recurring where you get a discount, and a 6 month non-recurring that you get a discount. So you can actually gift these boxes or subscriptions. But also, if you go to my website, you can see that the Happy Meal box right here, the Happy Meal subscription, I actually created this page on my website that tells all about what Happy Meal is, where to sign up for a month-to-month payment plan, if they want to purchase a 3-month prepaid option or a 6-month option here. And then it goes down with all that information. And that is my website page, the landing page for the Happy Meal subscription. So it goes into all the details. So I wrote all of this and put some samples of some of the items and created all the links. If you go to the month-to-month payment plan, I had to create this. This is a subscription. I use Stripe, and it's actually a subscription service where you can sign up. So I created this, which is a monthly recurring subscription. And yeah, so there's a lot more that goes on. There's a lot more that goes on than just creating the product for the box and creating all the test samples and all that. It is a lot of work in the back end of working on, you know, the website and creating the listings and creating the subscription plan and all that. There's a lot that goes in it. That's why I'm taking you along for the ride. So now my thing is to start creating the samples of all the stickers that will go in each box, because I've already got all the cards, which I'll show you a preview. I have designed the first 5 months of the subscription box. I've designed the first 5 months of all the cards. They're ready to go. They're not seasonal. They're not, you know, any certain holiday. They are everyday cards, and they will be stickers that will match some of the cards, like this one. I don't know which ones exactly that I'm going to be making the stickers out of, but there will be stickers to match each of the cards. And each month is different, so you may not have, I don't know exactly which cards are going together yet. I'm working on that. That is part of the process of launching the box or subscription, however you want to call it. It's not really a box because it's not coming in a box. It's coming in a bubble mailer. But yeah, there's cute little boho rainbows that are perfect for maybe a baby shower or a birthday. But yeah, so if you subscribe for 6 months, you'll have 24 cards. So 20 for the 5 months that I've already designed. Yep, so there we go. So I have now got the website completely ready, and it has launched so far. You can click to sign up for the monthly payment plan, which means you'll be billed every month. There's also a 3-month prepaid option and a 6-month prepaid option, as well as a, try it out for just a month. So that is how I launched it, and I will show you more of making the products for the subscription box in a few minutes. So the products for the first box will be these 4 cards, and I will make stickers to go along with them. So we have, "You Totally Got This, Girl," "Everything Will Be Okay," "Be Kind, Be Brave, Be Honest," and then "Be Kind to Your Mind." So these are all blank on the inside, and they come with matching envelopes. If I can get that open one-handed. So they're blank on the inside for you to fill out what you would like. And then they have the information on the back. And so this is the first box. I already have, I thought I had 5 months of boxes left made, but I don't. I only have 4. So I don't know which order the rest of these are going in. So you were given this life because you're strong enough to live it. So far you've survived 100% of the worst days. This too shall pass. Girl, you have no idea how strong you are. And then, where there is no struggle, there is no strength. So I also have 2 more stacks, which, I'll go through later. So, yeah. So that's what I'm doing, is these 4 boxes are done. The cards are done, that is. And they will be matching stickers, a matching journal, and there'll be a bookmark created that'll go with them, either coordinating or matching, one or the other. But everything in your kit will be, it's going to be fun. So now I have taken the designs that are going to be on the cards and created this sticker sheet. So it will match the cards, and I'm just grouping them together, and I will be able to turn these into a print and cut, which means I can be able to create multiple sheets on one page. So they'll be ready to print out and cut. Oops. So they're going to be a little bit sized off, so I'll have to figure out how to get them on the page, the best way to get the most out of one sheet of stickers. Because I always like to make sure that I don't waste the sticker sheets. I always have to make sure, I didn't mean to hit print, that I have it set up for the correct printer, because for some reason it does not save the default, which is, so it cuts off the little registration marks right up here. So I have to make sure that I go every time and set up my page setup and make sure it's for my printer. And what it'll do, it'll pop that border, because my printer will print to 1/4 of an inch, so it'll actually pop it out way past the cut border. So yeah, so now I'll just have to format and see how many sheets of stickers, of these sticker sheets that are 3 by 4. So they're 3 inches by 4 inches each sheet. And so now I'll figure out how many I can actually get on a sheet to get ready to print. All right, so I figured out I can get 5 sheets per sheet of stickers. So in the blank spaces, I'm actually going to put some of my packaging stickers so that I'm not wasting all of that sticker paper. And so I'm going to pop some of my little stickers that I put on my packaging, so that every time I make a sheet of these, I'll also get some packaging stickers as well. All right, I have 5 sticker sheets for the boxes, or the packages. ready. And as you can see, I have packaging labels that I have to put on my packages, so I'm not wasting any sticker paper. So there are 4 little "Hope this package brightens your day," and then awesome things inside. So every time I create a sheet of 5, I also create some stickers for my packaging. So it's a great way not to waste. So this box or subscription package, however you want to call it, because it's not going to actually be in a box, is going to also produce some packaging stickers so as not to waste and be more eco-friendly. And this is what happens when it doesn't cut correctly. It was supposed to not cut through the stickers and just cut around the edges, but guess what? It cut everything. So now I have sticker flakes. So this is why we do trial runs on everything. So I have sticker flakes, which, I mean, I can use these on cards and things like that, but things I send out. But yeah, so this is what happens sometimes when you're doing your trial runs of things. But the packaging stickers turned out really cute. So I have some really cute packaging stickers, awesome things inside. And then "Hope this package," for some reason it's not wanting to focus, "Hope this package brightens your day." So yeah, so I have some packaging stickers, and I can use these on the packages as well for this month's box to give an idea of what's inside. So some of these will go on, they'll get stuck to the envelopes as well. Next, it was to create the bookmark that goes with it that matches this month's subscription. So here's the bookmark. I created in my Silhouette Studio. I do not print and cut this. I just print it and then I cut it with my paper cutter because it just works better. I can get more on a sheet than if I did it as a print and cut. This is the cutter I use, and then I round the corners on the bookmarks, so it works really well. After I round the corners on the bookmarks, I use some lamination that is already set to the correct size. I buy this on Amazon in 500 pieces, and so I can do 500 bookmarks. It's like 20 bucks. And so because I do so many different bookmarks, today that's what I'm doing. I'm actually making some new bookmarks to go in the studio. So these are a new design, and then I'm going to laminate my test ones as well. So they just fit in the sleeve like this, and that's how they're done. As I started filming, I realized I had not stamped the back. I actually stamp the back of each bookmark with a stamp that I created with my Silhouette Mint. I have a bunch of little stamps that I've created with my Mint that I really, really like. I use a Scotch heat laminator to laminate my bookmarks. I put them through a couple of times so that I put them through this way first, and then I will put them through this way, so it takes a little bit longer to go through the heating, and then just put them back through. So yeah, I put them through a couple of times to make sure that they are good and sealed. But yes, so this is how this month's will look. Super excited. All right, I just recut these, so let's see how they are going to come off. Hopefully they'll come off correctly this time. All right, this is how they're supposed to look. Let's see how they come up. Well, I can tell already they have been cut through. All right, so this is a different sticker paper. I've used it before, but for some reason it wants to cut funny. So my machine wants to cut it funny. So let's see if I can get any of these off without pulling the sticker off. maybe. All right, we'll see. All right, I have created a journal using Kindle Direct Publishing and created a private book. So it's not available on Amazon, but this is the journal cover for this month's box. So I use Kindle Direct Publishing, and now I'm waiting for it to do the check. This is the cover. Be kind to your mind. So it'll be a 5.5 by 8.5 journal, and with lined paper. So I'm excited. Here's the preview on my side. The cover, everything fits. There's the backing of it. Because anything published through Amazon, they put an ISBN and a barcode on it. And so it'll have "This book belongs to," and it will have lined pages. So yeah, it's 120 pages, and yeah, so this is what I work with when I do these. It is easier for me to, it's easier for me to have them printed through Amazon and be able to only order what I need for that month without having to buy a huge quantity. So until I get, you know, I'm buying thousands, that's how this is going to work for this box. And now here is the sheet of the vinyl stickers. So I have it where I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets on one sheet, and I'll show you that. Now they've been printed. It'll turn out right. Alright, Editing Katie here again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, there was some things that I forgot to film and some steps that I forgot to show, but yeah, there's been lots of love going into these packages, and I am excited to share them with you, and I'm definitely excited that I got these gorgeous coral pink envelopes that will be the packaging. And then also, here is the journal. The finished journal came in from the printers. So I have the finished journal. It is a 120-page journal, notebook, whatever you want to do with it. It has got "This book belongs to." It also has lined pages. It's pretty much college ruled paper that I put in this one, because I like to take up as much space as possible, so you have plenty of writing space. Start right at the top, no blank spaces, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and watch for the unboxing coming soon.